Hey guys, Joey here. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to start running GMV Max for your TikTok shop account. As you can see here, I've spent $1,450 in the last month, and this has equated to a gross revenue of $9,240, which is a 6.38 ROI on my money. So, how does GMV Max work? So, this is you as a seller and you have a product that you sell on TikTok Shop. Say there's going to be videos with your product tagged, whether it's videos that you posted on your account or videos that are posted with your product from affiliate creators. You need at least 10 videos to start running GMV Max to see some results. And I would recommend to start with $25 a day. And so you give this $25 a day to TikTok AI. So TikTok AI is going to grab all this money that you give it. Say you start with $25 a day. It's going to get all the creatives that you have with your product. So my product has 1,500 videos with the product linked underneath it. So it's going to get all those creatives and it's going to start spending money to these top creatives. And it's going to start spreading this money out and seeing which of these videos can get the most sales. And it's going to, of course, spend money with the videos that convert a lot higher. So you might be wondering, what is a product card? Product card is what has gotten me the most orders. As you can see, 44 orders, and it's not even a video. So what is product card? Product card is going to be in the shop at the bottom, the icon at the bottom, shop. It's going to be these recommended for you products. It's going to be the you may also like products, or it's going to be more from this shop. So one of these would be your sponsored post for the product card. But as you can see, these videos are spending money, and these are videos from my affiliate creators, and it's just spending money throughout all these different videos and seeing which one converts the best, and then it's going to be spending more money on these videos that convert higher. So how do you start running GMV Max? So you want at least 25 videos with your product tagged to see results, and then your listing, of course, needs to have some sales already and ideally some reviews, because this builds trust and it converts higher. If you have a new listing, it's not going to convert as well as if you have a listing with some sold and some reviews on it, of course. And then I would recommend to start with $25 a day to start seeing results. And you want to set your ROI at 7, and you want to let it run for 1 week. So I'm going to show you where to find all of this information in the TikTok Seller Center right here. So we're in TikTok Shop Seller Center, and then we go to marketing on the left. And after you click marketing, you go to shop ads, and it's going to put you on this page here. And you're going to want to go to the top right to click create GMV Max ads. And then it's going to bring you to this page where you go to create a campaign, and it's going to be promoting products. That's what you want to select, and then you can promote all the products in your TikTok shop, or you can add certain products. I would recommend adding certain products if you have a bunch of different ones, but if you just have one product in your store, you can just have promote all products in TikTok shop. And then it's going to recommend your optimization and budget. So you want to set your product ROI target to 7, because you want to make money running these ads. And then you want to set your daily budget to 25. I would not start with a $400 budget. That is way too high just to start testing. But it's going to say too low, budget of 280 at least is recommended. But if you want to just start testing, I would recommend $25, and you can always increase it if needed. But if you spend $400 and it doesn't convert, then you just lost $400. So I'd rather start smaller than going all in. So, and then it's going to say add creatives, and it's going to be auto select your best performing ad creatives, and you want to enable affiliate creatives for ads. So you can select that there, and then you want to authorize any unavailable TikTok shop accounts. So you want all three of these to be selected. You can click manage and make sure to select all three. And then promotion days, it's going to be recommended, and I have this on for mine, where if your sales are going up but you run out of budget, say you have a $25 budget and your sales are going really good, but then you run out of budget, so it's going to spend a little bit more money to keep going because you're having a good day. So if you start at $25 a day, it's going to increase to $37.50 if it can see that you're making money with your ads. And then you select the schedule, select time that you want to start, and then if you want to set end time, you can. I don't, because you could just turn it off. And then your campaign name, and that's basically it. So yeah, I'm working with some new people, so if you guys want to click the first link in the description to apply to work with me, we can see if we are a good fit, and hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions about GMV Max, drop them in the comments, and hope this was helpful.